Hey, I will give today a quick update about my project and what's going on so far. So as we see in the picture, we have one Raspberry Pi connected to two sensors and connected to one camera. So this hardware represents a one direction of the beeper counter. So it represents in or out. So to have the full system, we need another set of hardware to do the under calculation for out or in. But in the coding side, we have one file called eihir.py, and this file takes an argument. This argument could be in or could be out. So we have one coding and one folder for in or out, and that could be installed on the hardware. So if we test our project right now with in, so now we are considering people entering the building. So if we back to the sensors and we walk toward the door, then we confirm entering the building. That will run a process take picture and sub process to detect the people in the picture, and another sub process to update the number on the cloud. So on the Google Firebase as a real-time database, we see we have 99 person right now, and that comes from the person has been detected in the picture. So if we would like to test our project as an out project, so if we have another set and this set run as an out, so we came to the door and we approach the door, then we confirm leaving. So basically we take a picture and the same processes runs again, body detection runs, and we see here we have the number of people has been decremented to 98. So this system should be represented in emergency cases. So the front end has been taking care of people at emergency time. So we should give them the data as quick as we can, and we should save their time. So we see our front end has only one input, and this input takes an error code or takes a brief of the address. Then the autocomplete from Google API will complete the addresses within Irish addresses. So if we type ITCA, so we'll get an IT Carlo as an address, and as IT Carlo is in our data set, we could easily get the data. So we could see here we have the data back as 98% inside the building right now, and we could see here we have the Google Map icon or like box that give the option for the people to click on and get direction straight on from their location, which saves time as well. So we have one key on here and one button, sorry. So this button is bringing us back to the main menu and main page. So if we see here, and if we would like to search about an address that's not in our database, so if we search about Carlo Rugby and we click search, we will get back an alert message says, sorry, this address is not in our datasets, and that's just to give a quicker time to go and search for the correct address that we want. So we have some like contact form in the front end. This contact form give the ability to users to give a feedback or like to report an issue, and that's in future, and that's for keep maintaining and keep the process works completely fine. So that was a quick demo of the front end and back end and the functionality of the project. Thank you.